How to make a photo from a video on iPhone. Now if you have got a certain video, you want to export a certain frame from that particular video in a high quality, and that's what you mean by taking out a photo from a video. For that, all you have to do is simply launch the Photos app, and this is the type of interface that you'll see. Then what you want to do is simply select the video from where you'd like to export a certain frame. Now what you want to do is you want to simply drag it to the part of the video from where maybe you want to go ahead and then basically take and maybe export that particular photo from the video. So just go ahead and drag it to that area. Now tap on it once to basically view it in full screen. Now what we're going to do is simply use a trick to take a screenshot. Press the volume up and the power buttons to take a screenshot of that footage from that particular video. Now you can view that screenshot, crop all the unnecessary parts, and there you have it, a photo from a video on your iPhone. That's all it takes for you to basically save a photo from a video on iPhone, and also don't forget to tap on Save to Files option. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.